I am no longer.
Oh fuck!
I won't try to bring logs.
I'm willing to sacrifice my frames just to capture me bullying Kelvin.
Just a cat.
Oh. Okay, we're good.
Just Wait, he's gonna full die, he's gonna full die. Somebody pick him up.
Oh, he's just gonna get up himself.
Is he?
He doesn't full die.
He can't full die. It's literally impossible to kill Kelvin.
Oh, it's written in his spaghetti code.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait till he gets up just to tell him again. No! This shouldn't be that funny.
Oh, this is such good content for you.
He shouldn't have sat in that water. For
It's mostly just me wheezing.
what happened to him?
What did happen to him? Didn't he just like...
He could have played. He fucking
Wait,
died.
wait, you said...
He can't full die. It's literally impossible to kill Kelvin.
Come here, dear. You're dead as shit. Dear.
I think we should go exploring.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, we should. Oh, my head hurts. I bought the stones. I bought the stones. Can we make a grave for him? This poor man.
No. You don't deserve a grave.
Is this body gonna stay here forever? If you wait, if you go back into the file, if you go into the files and you set him to alive, will he be alive right there? Will he like respawn?
He just like wakes up.
Oh.
Well, no,
I'm trying to renovate. It's not fucking working.
I think we should sleep.
I can't see shit. You are thirsty. You are hungry.
Sure,
Oh
yeah.
shit, I am.
I need
How do I-
renovate, guys?
I cannot. Wait, can I? Okay, there. Oh, I have to be standing. I'm fucking so thirsty right now. I'm parched. Why am I taking little pussy ass sips from this? Oh yeah, there's shit in my inventory. I have crunchies, crunchy onesies, crunchy munchies. Oh, crunchy onesies. Sounds like some stupid shit I'd say. Hey.
Was it at least a clip or?
Ow!
I'm too tired to fix this house. Let's go explore.
Yeah. Let's go to this cave down here, and then get our shit fucked.
I don't
Yeah.
know which zone.
I don't know any of the caves.
It's the exact same island. It's just revamped.
God, I'm sick of you fucks already. I spent 3 days on this island with you fucks.
Technically, two.
The fuck up. You see, this is why I hate you. Oh, I see I see funny mutant monster guys.
Where?
Right in front of us.
Oh, hello. I didn't see the.
Look at him scary. Look at him scary.
I don't.
Ouch. Oh my god.
I don't remember how to craft things. Do they?
Yeah, they hurt a lot.
Alright, don't fuck with them.
I'm popping perks.
What the fuck are you?
Oh, oh,
Oh,
oh. I killed him. Kill him. Kill him. We can kill him. We got this.
Hold on, I lost my bow.
I beheaded him. Okay. I'm putting on the
Fucking-
C4. Hold on.
Twit!
I can cook up some human meat
Wait,
later.
wait.
Buggers.
Wait.
No.
Oh.
Blind caves we're not supposed to be in. Just how I like it.
Yeah, we're definitely not supposed to be here this early.
I thought we were leaving.
We're not. Absolutely
Okay.
not. I refuse.
Oh, hello.
We're already here. I'm staying.
Ba-da-boom. Wait, how do I fucking...
Funny, finger man.
Dude, I can't... fuck, I'm down already.
He's here, by the way. Oh, vagina finger man!
Oh, vagina finger man.
Did he kill you?
No, I'm mid animation.
Okay.
I need a piece. Thank you.
I'm dead.
Are both?
Oh, the fingies. No.
No, I picked up Elena.
I sneak away from the fingies. Oh, I don't sneak away. Oh my god.
I'm dead again.
Can you get ouchied from that? Did you kill Josh?
I might have killed Josh. Are you dead, Josh?
Yep.
Oh, it's not dead. Are you ouchied? Uh-oh, later.
I'm dead.
Yeah. He's chasing me now. Please.
Percocet. Molly Percocet.
Are spears still? I remember spears being able to knock down.
No! I'm dead too. We should have left.
Nope.
Nope.
Going back in. Oh, he killed me. He one-shot me.
Do they see?
No. They don't.
They can
see
hear
me
though.
here.
So if I open my inventory, will it...
Oh my god, perks. Yes.
It just fucking ran at me. What the fuck? I didn't do anything. I'm so scared. I hate these things. Oops. Hey, what's up, man?
I need to pop perks.
I do too, honestly. That was what I was
So,
trying to do
apparently
before.
This is the two-headed boys.
What are
Spooky
those?
boy.
We don't have the resources.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying.
Let's leave.
You guys are like,
Let's
oh,
leave.
we're here now. Let's go.
Nope, let's leave. I'm throwing an 8 at him.
Don't do it.
Logan, run.
It's dead. You can come
Oh.
pick me up.
Yay. Oops.
Yeah.
Wait, then where's... Oh, wait. Oh, hello, pussy. Skin. Give me your skin. Shit.
Hey, Lana,
Drop
calm
it,
down.
Lana. Drop.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Sorry. I didn't mean it.
Yeah.
Give me your skin.
Let's go to another cave.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. This one's a little bit intense.
Like the guy pops up on screen.
Oh
like,
my god!
Oh my god.
that.
Did that? Are you fine?
But try to jump a little more forward. You're gonna hit rock.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh! I just decided to not jump. I just, as soon as you said, "Oh, I'm dead," I hit fucking S so hard.
Does the glitch exist?
What glitch?
Oh shit!
No,
It's fine.
no, it doesn't work. No, you just stopped.
No, well you can't. You're not on a hill, Josh.
No, this would work.
Would
It
it?
used to work. Yeah.
It used to work that way, yeah.
What are you
Oh, they fixed
slide
it.
Oh.
They patched it.
You open up your crafting book and then you just start fucking sliding at Mach 10.
Free bird, yeah.
I think, yeah, 3 out of the 4 of us are black.
Am I white?
This guy is.
Oh, I am.
Yeah,
like
you're white.
White Asian or some shit.
Yeah, you're like your family was Asian, but you're like 3 generations after they moved to like a white suburb.
That's very specific. Thank you. I know exactly what I look like now. I know exactly what I
you,
look like.
you look really white, but you got that yellow tinge to yourself.
Do I have the eyes too? Just a little bit.
Hard to say. I didn't get a good look at the eyes.
Oh fuck! Was I the only one? What I do? Okay. I don't even know what I said there, to be honest.
I mean, I believe you.
Sometimes things just come out of my mouth, and I have no control of it.
Sometimes things just come.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you do.
Yeah, like me.
Oh god. I just got reminded of something.
Why you cackling?
That joke.
Why you
I just reminded
cackling?
something. All this talk
I
about
wasn't
that
expecting
reminded
that.
me.
Why you
I
laughing,
found
man?
that I have saved up.
It wasn't a joke. It wasn't a joke, man.
I wasn't joking. I really.
It was a
wasn't
joke.
joking.
Anyway.